Well, I've been working in the shop, getting some batteries ready, and trying to get my Bonzai ready, but it didn't happen in time. So I'm going to try out these 11,000 milliamp max amp 14.8 4 cells 40C. Let's see how they work in the Geico. It's getting dark, it's the last of the weekend, and I need to drive an RC. Yeah. Allison's gone picking mushrooms. Not the magic ones, but chanterelles. She likes to make a risotto. I don't know what this is going to be like with the GoPro at night. We'll see. A little puff of the vape. Oh baby. I need my RC time. Hey. A little bit of power. Oh, oh, oh. Didn't bring my boots. Hey. Oh. Busy week. Oh, not bad for 40C. Might not flip it over. Not as much gem as my 120s. Oh yeah. Seems like one side's not spinning like the other one. Yeah, I'll check that out. Oh, let's check this out. What's going on? What is going on? Don't want to touch the props because she's live. What I don't like about this thing is all these screws. Screw for days. That's better than tape. I'm blinking. Might be a weak battery. But again. Yeah, I think 40C might not be enough for this bird. She's hungry. Oh. No, it's not sitting right. My hands are wet. Wait. Huh. She's not getting the jam she wants. So I open her up. Oh baby. Oh. When I open her up, she doesn't like it. The phone's dinging. Check that later. Later. It's getting dark. Yeah, so that answers my question. Let's send her into low voltage. put her on wide open. She didn't like that. So 3/4 throttle it is. I mostly use them in my X-Max, but I had them charged, so I had to burn off some steam, and this is a little more fun than the X-Max right now. Let's see, if I punched it right now, it would put it into low voltage. Nice. It's good I have the video, it times it, so I know how much I burn. I haven't run this on 6 yet. It's like the third time I've drove it. Oh yeah, making waves. Love it. Look guys, I didn't flip it yet. Woohoo! And it's getting dark. Oh yeah. Here's the ducks. Quack, quack. You probably can't see that in the video. I don't know how long it takes to drain an 11,000 milliamp battery. I've never had one that big. Is somebody taking a video? Stealing my footage. Oh yeah. Well, I punched her there. Well, it's not the same as my my 120 constant. Yeah, it's not the same punch. It's not the same. But it's good for this time of night because that way I don't have to go swimming.